Things you didn't know. PowerPoint Edition, Part 1. When you're making your PowerPoints, do you ever get frustrated with the amount of time it takes to line up all of the images that you just inserted? Look no further because I have a fast trick for you. To start, after inserting your images, use the Control key to select the ones that you want to align. From there, go to the top ribbon and select Picture Format. Once you're in the Picture Format tab, go to the Align dropdown and choose Align Center. This snaps all of those images to the center point. If you'd like to distribute these from top to bottom so that they're evenly spaced, you can do that as well. Click Align once more and go to Distribute Vertically. Now all of your images are centered and evenly spaced from top to bottom. Have a great one.